NRA 2024, I want to talk to you a little bit about the company behind me, Continental Refrigerator. Full service line of commercial refrigeration, chef bases, worktops, sandwich units, pizza prep units, back bars, reach-ins, you name it, they've got it. Not only are they made in the USA, not only are they heavy duty, not only do they have beefy, robust drawer slides on all their drawers, but the reason why we love specifying Continental in our jobs is flexibility. They are the Rubik's Cube of commercial refrigeration. I can take a unit and twist it and flip it and turn it and make it exactly how I need it for that job and for that application. Different tops, different sections, doors and drawers. I can move compressors and condensing unit compartments from left to right. There's so many different customizations that you can make with these units. It's absolutely fantastic. Continental Refrigerator, you gotta check it out.